What's up, everybody? This is Jeff Bernard with Solve Systems, and we have a news flash. OpenAI just came out with their MCP servers connectors in chat. What that means is you're able to enter a MCP URL, not just the ones that they've approved, but any MCP URL, to be able to call those services in real time. And this is not a JSON config on your desktop, it's in the web UI. So we're going to go over that integration right now. So we land in the ChatGPT canvas, and we have a few things going on here. We have our ask question bar, and then you're going to be able to click the plus sign, and we're going to go to more and then developer mode. You must make sure developer mode is enabled. It'll give you a message asking if you want to enable it. And then we're going to go to Clavis, which is a MCP server hosting service. And we created an MCP server. This will work with any remote MCP server now, which is pretty interesting. So in Clavis, you're able to go create a server and then authenticate it with OAuth. They hold the token, which verifies you when OpenAI is going to call your service. It's the same with Claude, but OpenAI has just rolled out this service. So we'll go back. We copied our URL to LinkedIn, and then we'll go to add more sources, connect more, and then we'll see that we have this new connector. So we'll give it a name, and then we'll give it the server URL. From there, we're able to either authenticate with OAuth, but we don't need to do that because we've already authenticated on the Clavis side. No authentication, and then this will give you intended only for developer use. And then we say, I trust this application. We'll add the integration. It takes a second to create it on the back end. Add sources, connect. And then this will actually prompt OAuth, which it didn't last time. So it looks like things are changing dynamically on the back end. So as we can see, this added our LinkedIn widget here, our connect more. We added our authentication URL. We turned OAuth off, and then we're able to call it. So get profile. Right now, the Clavis MCP server only has your information. It doesn't have, you can't like search profiles and stuff. So it looks like we're going to confirm the tool call. It'll go out to LinkedIn, do the API call, and then it'll come back with some information, right? So it came back with my information, profile ID, verified, all these details. So you can imagine as you start plugging in your MCP server endpoints and then defining a tool flow, you can do all kinds of cool stuff. So there's just a summation of the new rollout of MCP servers without having them to be approved by OpenAI. That's now available in ChatGPT.